Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Here are 3 reasons we know you should hire a professional plumber to install your dishwasher. It's very technical work, and hard. Don't void related home insurance. Make sure your kitchen looks its best, and the job is guaranteed. Avoid a leaking dishwasher. Avoid expensive dishwasher repairs.
Let's help you make your mark.
1.5 hours. Typically, standard dishwasher replacement will take 1 to 1.5 hours to complete the work from removing existing to installing and testing a new dishwasher. Additional plumbing and electrical work will consume extra time, but even complex replacement shouldn't last longer than a few hours.
Let's help you make your mark.
Approximately 6 to 10 years. The average lifespan of a modern dishwasher is approximately 6 to 10 years. Over time, major components like the motor or pump may wear out, and out-of-warranty repairs can easily run $400 to $600 or more once parts, labor and trip costs are calculated.
Let's help you make your mark.
A proper plumber will install your dishwasher cleanly and professionally, but if anything goes wrong, it's on their head. They will come and fix it for free. No matter the type or where it is going, getting a professional to install your new dishwasher is always a great idea.
Let's help you make your mark.
Step 1. Getting started on how to replace a dishwasher. In most cases, you won't need any special tools or skills to replace or when installing a dishwasher. Most dishwashers are 24 in wide, so you won't have to alter cabinets to get the new one to fit. If you change sizes, you'll have to alter your cabinets.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.